Hi, it's Greta from Attention Insight. In this video, we will look at two print ads on skincare products. One of them is a print advertisement created by Miami Ad School in Germany for Vaseline, a skincare brand. It depicts a lady in a Renaissance painting putting on some jelly on her face. The whole image is a cracked painting, while the area where she is applying the product is smooth. Let's generate a heat map and see where the most viewers' attention goes. The heat map shows that the objects that get the most attention are the eyes, chin, and the Vaseline logo at the bottom left corner. However, the cheek that is being applied the jelly on, as well as the hand, are not the areas that are being mostly looked at the first glimpse. Let's look at the percentage on the Attention Insight website. It gets 6%. The second poster is by Chic, brand of personal care and safety razors, depicting a woman's legs in the shower. There is a tattoo on her leg with two pin-up girls on a snooker ball with an extravagant hairstyle. The girl uses a razor to shave her legs, and the shaving stroke is depicted to remove not only the hair on her leg, but also part of the hair of the woman in the tattoo, which creates an impression of how strong the razor is. Now we will see if the heat map recognizes that particular spot as the area that attracts the most viewers' attention. The heat map shows that is correct. The razor and the part of the shave tattoo are one of the areas that are the most looked at by viewers, including the logo at the bottom left corner and the number on the ball. Let's find out the amount of viewers' attention in comparison to the whole image the earlier mentioned area gets. It's 30%. We come to the conclusion that the second poster ad conveys the message better. Thank you for watching and see you next time.